Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to list an item for sale on Facebook Marketplace. So the first thing you need to do is obviously navigate over to Facebook Marketplace and make sure that you're logged in to the Facebook account that you want to be behind kind of the listing that you're posting on the marketplace. The best way to get to Facebook Marketplace would be either to Google Facebook Marketplace or log into your Facebook account, and then on the side there you'll see the different areas you can go to within Facebook, and then go to Marketplace. Once you're there, you're going to see this. Also, you can see it's kind of got like a little store here. So if you go to the home of Facebook here, here's your home page. Go to the little one that looks like a store right up here. That's going to be Facebook Marketplace. In order to start selling something, over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see something that says Create New Listing. So if we click that button or option there, Create New Listing, this is going to look very similar on both desktop and mobile. So you can post something fairly similarly on mobile as well. And so once you're here, you're going to be asked to choose your listing type. You have items, which will be like a single individual item, vehicle, so a motor vehicle that you want to sell, or even a home that you want to sell or rent if you are an investor. So let's go ahead and choose the first option that says item for sale. And then once you're here, it's going to show you a preview of your listing when someone's going to look at it. Obviously, there's nothing here yet. And then it'll show you your name, your kind of Facebook profile here, and then whether or not that's public. Now, the first thing it wants you to do is add photos. So basically, all you need to do, like you would on eBay, is go to add photos, click on that, go to where you found the photos that you're kind of utilizing for your item that you're trying to sell. Select those photos and then go ahead and either double click on them or click open, and then that will upload the images. Now, I have a set of AirPods that I'm not selling. I like my AirPods, but I want using them for the purposes of this video. Now, as you can see, it's going to show you a preview of those images. Now, something you can do is you can actually click on the image and rearrange them. So if you want this one to be kind of your, I guess you would call this your highlighted image, or the image that comes up first, you can kind of drag these left or right here and put them in the order that you want them on the left-hand side. Go ahead and go and scroll through these just to make sure they look the way you want them to look. Next, you want to add a title, and you want this to be very catchy, something that will catch the eye. So as you can see, I put AirPod Pro, the best on the market. Obviously, come up with something way more clever than that. And then once you're done with the title, go ahead and put your price. I went ahead and put $150. I would keep it a round number, something simple and something that you can put there that's very easy for people to see. Next is the category. So you want to go ahead and select the drop-down menu here under category. So this one, you'd probably want to select portable audio and video. And then once you're here, you probably want to select headphones, obviously. And the next thing would be the condition. So this is where you need to make sure that you're honest and let people know, hey, is it brand new in the box, shrink wrap, never been opened before? Is it used, but it's like new? Is it used in good condition or used in fair condition? You need to be the judge here, but I would always err on the side of going down this list than to err on the side of, claiming that it's new and then, it being just in kind of good condition, and then they get the item and have to go through the refund and return process. That would be miserable. So for this one, obviously, I would say used in good condition because the AirPods work fantastic, but the charger case here has a little scuff on the case, and again, it's in good condition. Brand for these is obviously Apple. And then optional here, you can add a color. So for me, it would be white here. So I can go ahead and select white. And then the description, this is where you put the description of letting people know this is a description of the actual item for sale. So make sure you're honest here and let people know everything that you would think they would want to know, maybe even overshare here to let them know all of answer any questions that you think people might have for this listing. All right, and then once you've done everything on the left-hand side, you got your title, your price, your categories, description, all that good stuff. Pictures are looking good. You like the way that the listing is looking over here on the preview. Click the next button there in the lower left-hand corner. Location. Now, this is going to be your location. Make sure that your city and state are right. Delivery method, local pickup only. That's the only option right here for this one. Or you can offer shipping. You can actually go here and set up shipping if you want to. So you can set up payments to offer shipping. You can go ahead and go through this process to enter in your details and actually offer this to be purchased across the country or the world, I guess, and then ship it to those people. Again, normally on Facebook Marketplace, the benefit of it is that you can be advertised to people around your area, and it works fantastically. Then once you're done here, go ahead and click the blue next button there. And as you can see, you can have the option to list publicly in the marketplace, or there are actually groups like this one here, the Hall County, which is my county, online yard sale. You can list it in your particular groups if that's something that you'd want to do. And then once everything is to your liking, go ahead and click the blue publish option here, and your item will come up at the top of the search results for a couple of days for the title and description of your marketplace item. Hopefully this was helpful. A couple of pro tips here. Under send seller a message, is this available? You want them to be able to send you a message even if they're not your friend, so make sure that is available to them. And then once you're ready to go, like I said, click publish and that item will be on the marketplace until, if we go here and X out of this, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the page here until, if we go to our listings here, once it's been sold, always go back to your active listings by going to selling under marketplace here. And then under your active listings here, go ahead and click the option that says mark as sold. And then you can see here, yes, I sold on Facebook, I sold elsewhere, whatever it is. I'll go ahead and go, yes, I sold on Facebook. Click next, and then go through the process just to let them know, hey, this listing is over with, it's done with, I've sold it. Please don't bother me about it any longer. Thank you guys, as always, for watching this tutorial. If it helps you out, please help me out by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more great tech tutorial content, and I will see you guys in the next video.